Here we are again, no wall, more of the walls fell. Got that old YouTube going. See them roots? They pushed it out. When this was built back about 30 years ago, they didn't think about that, even though it's double brick. It don't have no reinforcement. I mean, that brick ain't gonna hold shit. The big old mimosa we just cut down. They missed that one, gotta take that one down. See, all this gotta break all that up so I can move it. Yeah. Get this out of the way. All that's got to be tore out. This has got to be all cut down with the excavator. Got to get heavy equipment in there, medium duty excavator. Get all that out of the way. Take a concrete saw. Take this straight down and pour around it with steel in it to hold it to keep from doing any more damage. Yep. There. Bust all that up and get this stowed over here. That's where it fell about a month ago, part of it. But so here. Man, that's falling. All that's got to be out of the way. All that's got to be gone. Oh well, it is what it is. I told her I gave about a $4,000 estimate on putting just a 1 foot grading this all down to a slope. It'll be done in the future, and then I can make another video. And pouring a footing, putting 2 cast walls up. Each side to sort of hold that. Yep. And re-landscape it.